Welcome, everybody. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kyle Offray. I don't know what my role is. I'm just going to call it the Chief Strategy Officer with Let's Chat. That just sounds really cool. Depending on who's introducing me, I have a different role every single call. What Let's Chat is a AI-powered language translation tool. We work across all digital mediums to record any form of content, to translate it into 104 languages and 100 different dialects. So we work across all forms of communication. So whether it's websites, apps, phone calls, chatbots, videos, you name it, even document translations, we do it all. We are a one-stop shop for translation services. What separates us from everybody else in the industry is, one, we own a patent that allows us to enable our translation based off of user device detection. So we have a user device detection patent, which means that our technology enables us to detect or determine what language you as an end user prefer on your device. And from that, we will automatically translate anything that comes across your screen into that preferred language. No one else in the world has that. Not Google, not Amazon, not Microsoft, not Meta, nobody. So that is one thing, that is the biggest thing that separates us from everybody else in the world. The second is we own our own library. We have spent 8 years developing and building and perfecting our language library so that we sit about 20 to 30% more accurate across all 104 languages than anyone else out there. So a Google Translate or an Amazon Translate or any of those other translation software tools that you use, that you hear people say, oh, I just use Google Translate. Google Translate's about 75 to 80% accurate. LetzChat's worst language on a bad day sits at almost 97%, 96.8. And our top 50 languages are all in the 99 percentile of accuracy. And that's before we even adjust the language library to fit every client's need. One thing LetzChat also has the capability of doing, when we partner with a client like some on the screen, like a McDonald's, like an NFL, like Major League Soccer, we go in there and make sure that their industry-specific terms or their brand-specific terms stay true to their brand. We have the ability to customize every website, every app, every script that we run to fit the end user perfectly so that our accuracy goes up even higher than what we market. We'll never say we're 100% accurate. We'll only get to 99.9% because if there's ever a mistake, we have legal obligations not to say we're perfect, right, Brian Daly? Brian Daly tells people he's perfect all the time because he can, right? So that being said, that is what Let's Chat does. For those of you who are not big-time tech people, like Larry, who's just walking in off the street here, outside, look at that, ready to roll. For those of you who are not tech people, do not be intimidated by Let's Chat. Okay, don't get all caught up in AI, machine learning, this, and I don't know how to sell technology. I'm not a tech sales. I don't have a background. I didn't spend 20 years selling tech like Craig did, right? It's not that hard. The beauty of Better is we make it so simple that anybody can sell this product. Anybody can refer somebody into using this product. And when I show you the new product we have that we just launched, you guys are going to be mind blown here in a little bit. But I'm going to take care of some housekeeping things first so that I have everyone's attention. Again, you don't have to be a high-level tech coder to understand how to sell Let's Chat. Right? This is a simple referral, and it's a simple language. We're knocking down language barriers. It's very easy, right? Hey, business XYZ, do you ever have a language barrier between your employees or your customers? Have you ever dealt or sold a product to somebody who doesn't speak English? It's as simple as that. If so, we have a solution for you, right? It's a very simple introduction. Hey, one of the companies my product sells is a AI-powered language translation tool. It can work across all of your platforms as a business and help you communicate your products and services better with people who don't speak English. But that's all you need to do. And then you say, hey, I don't know enough to go into the weeds of it, but let me get you on a call with someone from Let's Chat, and I think it would be an amazing value add or value proposition to your business. Right? You go to the Better back office, you submit a lead through the Podio, it comes right to our team and instantly, just like some of the other products on here, just like the ERCs, just like the credit card, right? Just like the debt forgiveness, they'll immediately get an email from Let's Chat saying, thank you for your interest in our services. We'd love to set up a call with your business to show you how we can bring value to your employees and your customers, right? And so we've made it so simple that anyone here can sell it, anyone here can put it out there, anyone here can refer in business. We have a full team ready to go. A lot of them are on the call here that will be able to service your accounts. We will keep you as an agent in the loop. We do ask that you stay involved with your clients until the deal's closed, right? To help make sure that deal gets across the line, but we will do everything for you on our end. I'm going to share my screen here. Let's just, enough talking about it. Let's be about it. Can everyone see my screen? Everyone see some Adidas? Everyone see some Adidas?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Does Adidas look like it speaks English?
Yes.
All right, let's go to KPMG. We were just talking. KPMG, everyone heard of KPMG, or hopefully most of you have. It doesn't matter, right? Everybody, anyone heard of World Financial Group?
Oh, yeah.
Just pulled a random company out of a hat on this one, right? None of these people are clients of Let's Chat, right? So Let's Chat's plugin is not in their website, right? Everyone understand that? So they could know nothing about Let's Chat. This is my device language. It's set to English. But let's say I'm a Japanese speaker, right? I speak Japanese now. Ready? The whole website is now in Japanese. But wait, I don't speak Japanese, I speak German. The whole website's in German. Oh wait, anyone here speak Spanish? I speak Spanish. The whole website is now in Spanish. You never have to talk to a business again. It automatically translates. Wait, KPMG was in English. Oh, is it gonna go? Now it's in Spanish. We just need to get this website plugin on every single person's computer in the world, and they can automatically read every website. Oh, Adidas. Messi just came in town, but Adidas only is in English, right? But now it'll take a second to load because they have a lot of content, which is why I didn't want to do their website. It's still loading, right? But boom, now it's in Spanish. All their plugins, all of their drop downs, all of them, everything's in, it's still loading because they have so much content on their page. But see, yep, here we go, some Spanish. Everything's in Spanish without them even knowing. Who speaks Chinese here? Definitely not me. Right? World Financial Group, Chinese. KPMG. No, it's loading. Chinese. Everything's in Chinese. Adidas. It's loading. Load. Adidas is the terrible choice I made. There you go. Everything's in Chinese. They have so much content that loads. That's why it takes a while.
Greek.
Greek? You want Greek? Oh, I gotta add languages.
What's the cost?
The cost. Ooh, good question. Hold on. I'm showing some Greek. What do you want to see? WFG in Greek? We do Greek too. How about that? Look at that. All right. So I'm going to go back to English before I have no clue what I'm doing for the rest of the day. So there it is, folks. So the game changer, if you aren't paying attention, is this is a product that you now can sell to every single person in the world. Think about school districts who have students that speak other languages. Every computer in a school district, in a university, at a testing center, a learning center. Anyone here who's ever gotten a real estate test, a life insurance test, a health insurance test, and had to go into a testing center that has a public-facing computer that's only in English? $24.99 per month per device for 104 languages, 100 dialects. We're still fine tuning the price if there's going to be an added cost, right? Because if we sit on a public computer in a school, there might be 1 million websites viewed a month, right? Or 5 million, where we would lose a lot of money on that. So we're still tweaking the price, but the main flat rate we're looking at is around $20 to $25 a month for unlimited languages, with the ability to only say we only want 10 languages or 50 languages or whatever. Right now, so this will only be available, I'm answering questions here, this will only be available for text, so websites and apps. Right now for this product as a plugin, we're working to be integrated with messaging services like iMessage, Facebook Message, WhatsApp, for all the same tools. We would have to integrate on their servers though for that, but it would be the same process, because they're a third party to the device, right? So if it's a third party user to the device, right? So this is a plugin, we would put it on the web browser. So this you add to your web browser, your Google Chrome or your Safari on your computer, and every language, any website would be available in any language you want to view it in. This is also an opportunity to open up doors to big businesses, right? Hey, XYZ executive, let me show you this product. You can demo their website right for them live and in real time on the call.